Hey everybody, I'm Jason Catrone, your country crooner.
And I'm Gage Brownie, and we are here in Printer's Alley because we are doing sidewalk karaoke, y'all.
Come with us now.
Let's go!
Hey, would you guys like to do some karaoke?
Karaoke?
No! Right, what's your name?
I'm Sam.
Where are you from, Sam?
I'm from Lubbock, Texas.
Lubbock, Texas. Everyone, first time in Nashville?
Texas, that's what
yeah,
they
first
say.
time.
All right. Have you done karaoke yet in Nashville?
I've not.
Okay, the big moment. Record deal's on the line. You ready? It's all you.
This is huge.
Big deal. It's like American Idol.
All right.
Okay, here we go. Ooh. Come on, little Sabrina Carpenter.
I don't know.
Oh, make it up. Make it up.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey.
She likes.
Hey.
Yeah, she likes.
Yeah, come on.
Man, I saw like a video.
Okay.
I saw one today. Yeah. She was talking about a guy that she found. Said that he was so. Said that he was so awesome.
Sabrina Carpenter.
I think I'm failing.
I don't know the words myself.
He doesn't know the words. That's
Neither do
unfair. I was set up.
But it's okay. Round two. We're gonna do round two. I'm sure you know this.
Oh, you know this.
Okay.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's fly and is also sort of a buster. Always talking about the things he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't want to give you mine, no. I don't want to take you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me.
yes!
Hanging with the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Sam, you crushed sidewalk karaoke.
Nashville's newest star.
Best one of the day. Sam from Lubbock.
I'm sweaty. I'm real sweaty.
Everybody's sweaty up in here.
Thank you all.
Thanks for doing that.
That was good.
Guys, this is harder than it looks, but look for us on the streets of Nashville. I'm Jason Catrone,
And I'm Gage Brownie.
and we are doing some sidewalk karaoke.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-bow.